Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a new GoPro that I got. I'm also gonna show you guys a bunch of accessories that I got on sale at Walmart. So let's get started. First, we have the GoPro that's in here. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. So it was kind of hard trying to open the bag with one hand. So I just set my camera up and I got a knife. Now we're gonna open the bag. Oh, that's the wrong way. So there it is. GoPro Hero 8 Black. Take off this plastic. Slide it out. It looks really nice. Let's go ahead and open it. If I can figure out how to open it. Oh, here it is. So there's a seal right here at the bottom. I guess you just pull this. Let's go ahead and pull it. Let's take this out. So here's the camera. Let's see, how do we take this off? Oh, so there's a little latch back here. Lift it up. And then I'm guessing you have to slide it out. I've never had a GoPro before, so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, so then there's the latch, lift it up, and then there's these two pins. You squeeze them and it pops out. So here's the camera. Little sticker back there. So let's see what's inside this box. Some cloud storage, directions for an app, questions, and stickers, an instruction manual. Let's see what else. And you have this right here. Then we have this little mount. You take off the tape, stick it to anywhere. And then a charger. I'm guessing this is a battery. And that's it. So we're gonna close this box. I guess we'll just put everything back. And we'll use it later. So next up, another package from Amazon. This is either a charger for the batteries that I got, or a case for the camera. So let's see what it is. Here's the charger. Because I have more batteries from Walmart. I'll show you guys that in a little bit, so that way we can have them ready to go. Yeah, there's that. And this is gonna be the case for the GoPro. I'll put that on later in the video. Let's open it. Oh, nothing fancy. I guess, I mean, it was cheap from China. We'll see how that looks like, I guess right now. Here's a little case. I don't know if I'll probably use it, but I mostly got this for the screen protector and the camera protector. I'll put that on later. I'll show you guys me putting it on. Got a little thing to clean it before we put it on. That's it. That's the company. I'll let you guys know how it is. It fits. And yeah. So next we have all this stuff from Walmart. I'm not gonna take it out of the box. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So let's see. First we got here a suction cup. You can put this in the side of our van. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Maybe stick it on the tractor. But for the tractor, I had got actually something to stick it on the pipe. It's over here. A tube mount for the handrails on the tractor. This is probably what I'll be using. Yeah. And next we got this jaws. I wasn't gonna buy this at first, but I said whatever, you know. I think it was like $9. And it's normally like $50 or something. And I bought a bunch of batteries because they were really cheap. I said I might as well get them. I have 2 right here and 2 in another bag. Let me see if I can find the other ones. Oh, here are the other 2. Let's take everything out of the bag. Here are the batteries, just in case I need them. And just another random stuff. They're like $5 too. And I got a case so I can store all my stuff. Let's see. A head strap. I'm probably gonna be using this when I go around the barns. I could show you guys a point of view. A little tripod. I can set it up on the table or something. Let's see. Oh, I got another suction cup. Just in case I get another GoPro in the future, I can get 2. A smaller tube mount for like a bike or something. I might use that for the ATV. And then a swivel mount. That way I don't have to be turning the camera all the way around. Maybe just a bunch of random mounts that you tape to the wall. And that's it. Got all this stuff. Everything here was on sale, at least 75% off. So I said, whatever, might as well get it on. And then I had to get the charger, or yeah, no. Where's the charger? Oh, the charger for the batteries, and then the case to make sure that the screen doesn't crack on this. Looks really cool. I've never had one of these. I'm gonna put it to use. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on the video. And I'll see you guys next Monday.